Hi everyone, my name is Nika Kate Arroyo. In this video, we are going to see how to configure Telnet on a Cisco router. So here at the left bottom corner, you will see a lot of devices here. We are going to put some PC here. Then we are going to end device. And maglalagay tayo ng router. So, after natin maglagay ng router, ay i-connect natin sila sa isa't isa. So, punta tayo sa connections. Then, makikita dyan yung iba't ibang type ng connectors. And gagamitin natin yung copper straight through. So, connect natin sa fast ethernet. And gigabit ethernet. So, after natin makonect, punta tayo sa PC, then desktop. Tapos, select IP configuration. So, mag-assign tayo ng IP address. So, ang napili kong IP is 192.168.1.2. Then, the subnet mask will generate automatically, and in default gateway, I'm going to assign as IP address 192.168.1.1. So, after that, we're done with the PC and we are going to router. So here, we're going to CLI and type no. Then, enable config D, which is mean configure terminal. Then, magsiset tayo ng host name. So, it is a choice. So, R1 yung host name. Then, enable secret, Cisco. So, yan yung assigned password natin. After nyan, int gigabit ethernet 000/ then yung IP add natin, which is 192.168.1.1, and yung subnet mask natin 255.255.255.0. Then after that ay no shut natin siya. So after nyan, line VTY 0 to 5 and log in. Then magsiset tayo ng password, which is PT. Then exit and exit. So after natin i-exit, ay kailangan natin siya i-copy run start. Next naman ay pupunta tayo sa PC para i-ping, and doon natin malalaman kung gumagana ba yung telnet natin. So dito sa desktop, then command prompt, ipiping natin yung default gateway. So which is 192.168.1.1. So, kapag nag-reply na ganyan, it means success. Then, iti-telnet natin siya sa default gateway. So, itatap natin yung verification, which is Cisco, then PT. Yung sinet natin password kanina. So, yan, it is successful. So, that's all in this video. I hope you all understand the telnet on a route. And thank you for watching.